how to log in Udemy account. So if you want to log into your Udemy account, then what you need to do is first you need to open the application or your browser, anything that you're comfortable with. If you're under your browser, you just need to simply go and search for Udemy and go with udemy.com or www.udemy.com, which will be on the first option. And if you're with the application, just open the application and you will have login or sign up page on the application. But if you're on the browser, then go with the upper left, which has that 3 bar, and then tap on login. Now, once you tap on login, you'll get this kind of interface, right? You can either log in with your organization if you have your organization's info, or you will have other login options like your Google, your Facebook, or Apple. Or you can continue with your email. So just enter your email and tap on continue. And you need to enter the 6-digit code, which will be sent to your email. So go and check your inbox, or you can simply go with the control panel and here you will have the code. So tap on the email or just open up the email and here you will have the code, right? So just simply tap and hold on to that code, copy the code, go back and paste it right here and tap on login and your account has been logged in. So that's how you can log in to your Udemy account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.